Understanding the phrase, shove off, a guide to English idioms. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English expression, shove off. This phrase might sound a bit rough around the edges, but it's quite common in certain English-speaking areas. Let's unpack what it means, when to use it, and how to understand it when you hear it. Stay tuned to become more fluent in navigating the fascinating world of English idioms. When we look at the words shove and off separately, we get a good starting point. To shove means to push something forcefully. Off is a preposition that denotes separation or distance from something. Literally, if you shove something off, you are pushing it away from something else. This physical action often happens when a boat leaves the shore. Someone might physically shove it off into the water. In idiomatic English, shove off is used as a somewhat brusque or unfriendly way to tell someone to go away or leave. It's important to understand that this is not a polite expression and can be seen as rude or dismissive. It's typically used when someone is annoyed or wants to end a conversation without much regard for the other person's feelings. Considering its unfriendly tone, shove off should be used with caution. It's not appropriate in formal situations or with people you want to show respect to. It's more likely to be used among friends in a joking manner or in a situation where someone is bothering you, and you want to be very direct about your desire for them to leave. Let's look at a few examples to see how shove off can fit into everyday language. 1. In jest among friends. 2. I've had enough of your teasing. Shove off, will you? 3. In annoyance. 4. I'm busy now. Can you just shove off? 5. In films or books. 6. The character, after a heated argument, might say, shove off. I don't want to see you around here again. In some cultures, telling someone to shove off can be seen as very offensive. However, in others, it can be taken lightly, especially when used among friends. Always consider the tone, the relationship between the people involved, and the context to understand the intent behind the phrase. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, shove off. Remember, while it's a colorful part of the English language, it's best used with caution due to its potential to be taken the wrong way. I hope this video has been enlightening and has added a new expression to your English repertoire. Happy learning! And don't hesitate to use this knowledge to better understand English-speaking culture and communication.